it's a sunny day. To the zoo where animals play. Feathers, fur, and paws we'll see. Come along, have fun with me. Swinging high from tree to tree. Orange fur so wild and free. Long strong arms and big wide eyes. Smartest ape under the skies. Striped like zebras, horns that twist. Through the forest they can't be missed. A shy antelope, fast and neat, with tapping hooves and dancing feet. Slow and steady, big and round, with a shell that scrapes the ground. It munches leaves and takes its time, living life without a climb. Thick gray skin and one big horn, a gentle beast with armor worn. It loves the mud and munches hay, a tank that walks the zoo all day. Feathers bright and shades so bold, blue and green and dipped in gold. It spreads its tail and does a spin, showing off its royal grin. Let's go out, it's a sunny day, to the zoo where animals play. Feathers, fur, and paws we'll see. Come along, have fun with me. White as snow with stripy might, it prowls the path both day and night. Eyes so fierce yet moves with grace, a jungle king in a snowy case. In the water, big and wide, hippos splash and love to hide. With giant jaws and wiggly ears, they're calm but loud when someone nears. Standing up to scan the scene, they work in teams and keep things clean. Little guards in sandy suits, always ready in their troops. Spiky coats from head to tail, touch them once you'll know the tale. They shuffle slow but look so cool, a walking pinball in the zoo pool. Bumpy humps and long brown legs, walks the sand and never begs. Carries loads and drinks so rare, a desert ship with dusty hair. Let's go out, it's a sunny day, to the zoo where animals play. Feathers, fur, and paws we'll see. Come along, have fun with me. Big and round with cozy cheeks, they squeak and swim in lakes and creeks. The chillest ones in every land, they nap in groups and love the sand. Strong and gentle, black and bold, the jungle's giant, calm and old. It beats its chest and sits with pride, a family king with love inside. Massive horns like a tree branch wide, they stomp and strut with forest pride. They love cool ponds and leafy snacks, with wobbly legs and sturdy backs. When it's scared it shows a frill, a neck fan wide, it's such a thrill. It runs upright with funny feet, like a dino in the summer heat. Waddle walk with suits of black, slide on ice then swim right back. Cold or warm they love to play, flapping wings in a splashy way. Let's go out, it's a sunny day, to the zoo where animals play. Feathers, fur, and paws we'll see. Come along, have fun with me. Striped and fierce with glowing eyes, it stalks through grass in low disguise. A mighty roar, a sullen leap, it guards the jungle while you sleep. Soft and gray with button nose, it hugs the trees in gentle doze. Eucalyptus is its snack, then off to sleep on its fuzzy back. Balancing on just one leg, pink and proud like a candy peg. They flap and twirl near lakes so blue, with feathers dipped in bubblegum hue. Trunks go up and trunks go down, the jungle's king without a crown. It walks with pride so big and grand, with flappy ears and helping hand. Speedy spots that zoom and dart, the fastest runner with the heart. It chases quick and stops on cue, with golden eyes and focus true. Mighty mane and roaring sound, the jungle shakes when it's around. A leader strong with golden fur, all other beasts bow down to me. So very tall it reaches trees, its neck goes high above the breeze. With spots all over gentle face, it walks with charm and royal grace. White as snow and strong and tough, it loves the cold and icy stuff. It swims in seas and climbs on snow, a frosty bear with cozy glow. We saw the tall, the small, the loud, feathers, scales, and fur so proud. What a trip, we learned a ton. Zoo time's over, hope you had fun.
Yay, that was so much fun! Did you like the song? Then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more songs like this, hit the subscribe button and share it with your friends so they can sing along too. Bye-bye! See you soon on PoPoBuzz.